guys, are you looking for a way to grow your natural hair or your permed hair without breaking your bank account? Well, I have this beautiful treatment for you can use on your hair before you shampoo. In this video, I'll be using it on my sister's hair for her pre-poo routine, and you see how healthy and beautiful her hair is. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. This channel is all about hair growth recipe, and I'll be doing a February hair growth recipe throughout the month of February, so do well to stay tuned for the update. So the ingredients in this hair growth oil include rosemary, fenugreek, and some mixed herbs. The mixed herbs include henna, neem powder, hibiscus powder, and so many other herbs that I've mixed together. So I infused them into coconut oil for about 4 weeks. Yes, that was 4 weeks. I usually infuse and leave it down for a while, and then I infuse about 2 bottles and then use one, and then the next time, I don't know if you get it, I try to batch it bit by bit so that I don't run out of infused hair growth oil. And when I am done, I strain all out of the oil because it's the oil I need in this video. It's the oil that we'll be using for this people. Guys, if you are experiencing excessive shedding, this is the oil for you. If your hair is breaking so bad, this is the oil for you. Like, you should try it. You can decide to do it into a hot oil treatment, or you can just put it on your hair like I'm doing in this video, and then cover your head for about an hour. You could also see that I'm focusing on the ends as well. Guys, you know that our ends are the most sensitive part of our hair, and also the weakest and the oldest part of our hair. So if you're not careful with how you manage your ends, you're going to break off your ends really bad. So it's very important to know how to manage your ends so that your ends will be very healthy, just like your roots as well. Guys, you should also be very watchful of how I am combing her hair. I am very gentle. I'm using a wide tooth comb, and I also sprayed water on her head before going in with the oil. Yes, water is able to soften the hair a bit, or just to make the hair more acceptable to any product that is applied. If you have natural hair, water should be your best friend. So what is the importance of pre-pooing the hair? Pre-pooing the hair is the first step you do to your hair before you shampoo your hair. So you can either use herbs, or you can just decide to use oil, or you can even use aloe vera gel. Some people just use flaxseed gel. Some people use something that will help them detangle up the hair. So it's definitely up to you what your hair likes or what you have available. You don't need to think about this too much when you want to pre-poo your hair. Just whatever you have available: aloe vera oil, aloe vera gel, olive oil, coconut oil, whatever you have available, flaxseed gel, herbs infused water, or even herbs infused mask. So yes, why am I using rosemary? Guys, rosemary is very potent. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair, please use rosemary, because rosemary has a way of promoting hair growth. Rosemary really promotes hair growth. And adding olive oil to it, if you have dandruff on your scalp, olive oil is the best way to soften the dandruff on your scalp, making it very easy for your shampoo to wash it off. Yes, do not scratch your dandruff. Just use olive oil as your pre-poo, and it will be very easy for your shampoo to wash it off. Doing this pre-poo, you should also focus on the scalp. Yes, pre-poo is about detangling the hair, but you should also focus on your scalp, so that when you wear your steamer cap, or when you cover your hair for a bit, your scalp is going to absorb, the hair follicles is going to absorb the nutrients in the oil, and also the herbs as well, so that it's going to promote your hair growth. People often ask me, how often should I pre-poo? Like, what's the duration? If you are using a steamer cap, that's an electric steamer cap, doing it for 15 minutes is great. If you are not using a steamer cap, you are just using a plastic rubber or something, please do it for an hour or two, because it really needs to infuse well into your scalp. Like, it really needs to get to your scalp very well if you are not using a steamer cap. Do well to put the hair into sections, so that it's easy for you when you are shampooing the hair. Yes, when you don't put your hair into sections, some parts of your hair will get some of the nutrients, while other parts is not going to get some of the nutrients. So it's very important to put your hair into sections while you are doing this pre-poo routine. Please remember that pre-poo should be done on every wash day, especially if you are having issues with stunted growth, your hair is not growing, your hair is breaking and all that. please pre-poo your hair on every wash day. Every day you wash your hair. I don't mean every day, but I mean anytime you are washing your hair, please do well to pre-poo your hair. It's going to go a long way in making your hair grow. If you look through the comb, you can see that just a little hair has been shed into the comb. It's mainly because of the way I'm combing the hair. I'm starting from the ends before I go to the roots, so that it detangles gently and she doesn't feel anything on her scalp. My sister has a very sensitive scalp, but when I was doing this treatment, she didn't feel any pain at all on her scalp because of how I was detangling the hair. So when you're detangling the hair, please start from the root. If you like to use your finger, please start from the root and then go into the root. You can also see that I'm pouring some of the oil on her scalp and also her ends. Her ends, because when you don't want your ends to break, please focus some oils on your ends so that your ends will be as strong as the middle part of your hair, or maybe the root. Yes. So guys, here's where I end my video. This is me pre-pooing my sister's black hair. Like you can see, this hair is less than 2 years and it's so dense, it's so healthy, it's so thick, and I really enjoy this routine that I was giving to my sister. Have you pre-pooed your hair before? Okay, so when you are done with this pre-poo, you go on and cover your hair with either a plastic cap or a shower cap, and then follow up with a steamer cap. As I mentioned earlier, if you don't have a steamer cap, just cover your hair with your plastic cap for about an hour or two. Don't forget to massage your hair, because massaging is what promotes blood circulation, which also revives dead follicles and promotes hair growth. As you can see what I'm doing to my sister's hair, I'm massaging her hair so that the blood circulation will really be improved. So right here, I wore her some plastic rubber in order to trap in some heat and promote hair growth, and then I followed up with a steamer cap. The steamer cap is totally optional, as I mentioned earlier. So guys, my name is Lydia. I'll be ending here for today. Let me know what you think about this pre-poo routine. Have you pre-pooed your hair before? Are you having stunted growth and you don't know what to do? Would you try this pre-poo? I think you should, because it's really going to go a long way in helping you. Do well to comment what you think about it, and so show some love for this video so that I get encouraged to do more. Till next time, please do well to stay safe. Bye.